Welcome everyone to another video, and I'm going to show you how to fix a hanging Android phone. I will do this by showing you how to force restart this Android phone. So this is a Samsung Galaxy A12, and with it I will show how to restart a Samsung phone. On this side I don't have any button, and on this side I have the volume up button, the volume down button, and the power button. Now, it doesn't matter if the phone screen was on like this or if it was blank. Let me just make it blank. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to press, just watch me. I'll press the volume down button and the power button. So watch me now. Now the phone has gone off and I've been able to force restart this Android phone. Now let's see what happens next. And guys, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel at this point so that when I drop detailed reviews like this, you will be notified instantly. Alright, the phone restart on this Samsung phone is almost completed. So let's watch what happens. This will fix your hanging Android phone. Still coming up. Alright, the phone restart on this Samsung phone is completed. Let me put in my PIN. Alright, so that is it. This is how to force restart your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.